This is going to be how I'll make my watermark. So basically this is an example. To make the watermark, the app needed is IBS Paint. So let's get into it, I guess. You're gonna wanna open IBS Paint and just get like the screen size you want. And then you're gonna wanna go to text and put in username, whatever name you want to do for the watermark, or just anything random. I'm just going to try to put my username. I'm not sure if I got it right though, so yeah, I think I did though. Yeah, I did. So we're going to click the plus at the top and go to that font, download fonts. Press on it and then get like the font you want by pressing on these. I'm just going to go zoom in and get the one like that I want, and I'm just gonna choose one to demonstrate, I guess. Let's do this one, Sweetie Rusty, that's what it's called. And then we're gonna go to extend it, but I got it too big, so we're just gonna go to transform and just make it bigger there. And then please don't mind the background voices. And then we're gonna drag the layer down, and we're gonna I'm just gonna draw a little detail, a little circle. No, not really circle, a little heart leaf, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna add some detail into this. I just don't want you guys to be sitting here like so many minutes, million hours watching me do this. So we're gonna add a little detail to the heart leaf, I guess. I don't know what to call it. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do this. I was gonna do a heart over here, but it didn't really turn out. Yeah, so I'm bad at hearts, so I just backspace a couple of times to make it go. And then don't merge the layer down like I did. We're gonna get a new layer and just drag it under layer 2. Then we're gonna add clipping. And then this is where we do shading. So I'm gonna get a darker color to the blue that I have. And then I'm gonna do the shading. I'm gonna try to get it to like a darker color. Don't do the backspace like I did. Just don't do backspace at all. Because I'm the one that's supposed to be a tutorial and I'm the one messing up. So basically, I'm just trying to do shading. It obviously didn't work out. It's hard. Okay, I didn't know as soon as I started. So I got the shading right. I'm just gonna turn the color down a little bit. The octopusy, I think it's called, down, and I'm just gonna merge the layer down. Okay, so merge, layer down, and I'm gonna get a new layer. We're not onto that part yet, but I'm just gonna tell you because it takes me forever. We're gonna get a new layer and just bring it down. And then, yeah, once bringing it down, we're gonna get clipping. We're gonna get the white color. We're gonna go there, press on normal down, and it's normal, press on add. It may look like I'm removing it right now, but I'm not. I'm actually adding a shading. Make sure you add clipping to that layer. I'm adding a shading. If you just watch on at this bottom, you just press that button that I pressed, and yeah, I'm just gonna add more shading just so you know. what it looks like, and it's gonna give it like a little glow effect, I guess. And then let me just tell you what to do. Once you do that, go on to KineMaster or CapCut, some people choose, and then just go on to media or overlay, and then just add it. But I'll tell you how to get like no background on it, so you can just add it without moving the background. So I'm just gonna keep on shading it because yeah, I guess I was gonna use smudge, but then it like just smudged it everywhere, and I didn't want that, so I just went on to blur, just blurred it, like not fully blurred it, but like kinda, you know what I mean. And then I laid the Opsy down, and then yeah, I guess that's how you do it. But when you export it to your camera, when you're going back to gallery, you press save as transparent PNG, because if you press save as PNG, it's gonna have like still a background. I was gonna add detail, but I think I ended up rubbing it out because it didn't look cute. But I most likely kept it knowing myself. I just don't make everything perfect, I guess. So I'm just trying to add detail. Just don't mind everything that I said before, and I say it once it happens. I blurred it more. So press save as transparent PNG.